Joining us to discuss the market, the Fed, tech stocks, and what we can expect this political season, senior market strategist and CEO of Market Rebellion, Marc LoPresti, sitting with us in studio, plus chief market strategist and co-founder of Market Rebellion, Jon Najarian. Gentlemen, Market Rebellion in the house. Great to have you both with us here. Marc, you're with us in studio. So tell me, is this sort of market where is the smart money? Should we be looking at gold or silver or even crypto?
Smart money is certainly liking gold at the moment, but it's a very uneven story. This is a period of very high volatility, which is typical going into election cycles. So we have to be sector specific. We are in a risk on mode right now, trading off a little bit, about half a point on the major indices today, but that's not something to be concerned about. It's all about Nvidia earnings at the end of the day today, Friday's PCE, and then the jobs report ahead of the Fed meeting.
Jon, same question to you. What do you think?
Well, I have to agree with Marc. I mean, he's the CEO of Market Rebellion. So how
you
do
don't
I
have a choice, Jon.
Don't disagree with your boss.
Yeah, exactly. But the Nvidia earnings are something that could make or break that Mag 7 trade. Tesla's struggled to stay within that Mag 7 group, those magnificent stocks that have just exploded to the upside. But there are some chinks in the armor. Today, Hindenburg came out. That's a firm that looks at accounting irregularities. I think that's the nicest way to put it. And they claim that they are suspicious of supermicrocomputer, which is one of the many ways, picks and shovels, if you will, for AI, for artificial intelligence. You've got to have energy for the data centers. You need the data centers, and who provides the racks and all the rest within that data center? Dell and Supermicro. So Supermicro is down about $250 in the last 2 days. That's one of those chinks, like I say, in the armor that implies that maybe everything isn't so rosy about the AI trade. But if Nvidia is able to turn that around, then the strength of this $3 trillion monster can't be denied.
Marc, quick question for you. I just want to bring it back to basics. When we are saying that the market may need a correction, what does that mean, and how would it happen? How would it affect people?
Well, markets at really an all-time high, right? We just keep making all-time highs this year, and markets actually tend to do well going into an election cycle. That tends to be a spike in October, regardless of who wins, by the way. But what it means to people really at the end of the day is how are people's pocketbooks really hit? And we have all-time high credit card debt, $1.4 trillion. We've got people turning to the buy now, pay laters, Klarna and Affirm to stretch their dollar. Those are some of the places that we see other chinks in the armor, as Jon said, because the economy may not be, I think we've avoided recession, but it may not be all roses and champagne going into November.
Real quick, Marc, while we got you, we got 20 seconds here. Out of all the economic policies Kamala Harris has proposed, maybe price fixing, building homes, what stands out to you?
I like homes. What concerns me is what she's proposed for the corporate tax rate, okay? If that happens, we are going to see a flood of inversions, companies leaving their headquarters of the United States, which is going to hurt GDP, it's going to hurt jobs, and we're going to see a ton of companies get taken private, public companies going private to avoid those types of taxes. Wow. That would be devastating for GDP and the economy.
Wow. All right. We're going to keep our eyes on this one. Luckily, we have experts like you, Marc LoPresti and Jon Najarian, to keep us informed. Thanks so much for being with us on American Agenda.
Great to be with you both. Thank you.
All right.